Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are traveling to Oklahoma, all the way from Michigan, and this is just about 6 a.m. in the morning, and we are about to leave the house. We have packed the bags in the car. We're going to get our children and strap them in and zoom off. So guys, we have 14 hours plus to travel, and it's going to be a very, very long journey. This is actually my first road trip in America. It's not my husband's first because he has lived in America before, he has studied here. But for me and my children, this is our very first road trip in America. And I've heard a lot about road trips, but we'll be trying this one out, and I believe it's going to be fun, and I hope to carry you guys along. I hope you're going to enjoy this video, and if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, please kindly like the video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so off we go from Michigan, 14 to 15 hours to Oklahoma, and I hope you guys enjoy the journey and enjoy the trip and enjoy the road sights and the views with me. So guys, we are at Chicago now. We are at the filling station, and we want to fill up the tank, ease ourselves, and continue the journey. It's been so beautiful and amazing. Let me show you around. So I don't know how many hours is remaining. It's like we have maybe 12 hours to go. It's it's quite interesting. The journey it's been so good. So far so good. I just finished loading my jollof rice. I couldn't film myself eating the jollof rice, but the rice was rising. The rice was delicious. So let me quickly go and ease myself, and then we'll continue our journey. So guys, I've just finished eating myself, and we are going back. So if you watch my previous video, I told you guys that my husband is going for an official assignment, and then we decided to tag along with him so that we can see America. Okay, so and it's just been beautiful. It's been very, very amazing. We thank God for this opportunity to go and look around and see other people, see some of our friends over there, and have fun, you know. So in my previous video, I showed you guys my preparation. If you've not watched the previous video, please kindly go back and watch the video. I did all the preparations. We had enough food for the journey, you know. I'm so happy to be taking this road trip with my husband and children. And by the way, I want to give a shout out to my husband. My husband is an amazing driver. I'm not saying it because he's my husband, but he's a very careful and gentle driver. Yes, God is the one protecting us, but it's one thing to drive with somebody who is a careless driver, you know, and just making you feel uncomfortable. But no, he made us feel relaxed. We enjoyed the journey. So guys, we came across this wind farm, and I was like, wow, this place, they use this wind farm whatever to provide electricity for them, and it's quite new to me. I only see it in pictures and in videos. I've not seen it this close. This was my first time seeing this wind farm, and it was so fascinating, and I thank God I got these clips of it so that I can always look back at it and enjoy and remember my road trip, you know.
I'm totally vibing. It's true what they say. It's all about timing. I'm doing okay. For the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. Just caught in the feeling. So much glitter, you can't forget her. A superstar, like ooh. We just get better, our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop, like ooh. Who Mustang. I'm feeling myself tonight. Yeah. I'm doing okay for the first time in a while. Can't help but love my style. There's so much glitter, you can't forget her. A superstar like ooh. We just get better, our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop like ooh. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, confetti like, confetti like, hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, throw the confetti like, the confetti like, confetti like.
We have about 8 hours 40 minutes to arrive, guys. It's been a long journey, very long journey, seriously. But God has been faithful. Everything has been going on so fine, so smoothly. We have been enjoying the journey. You know, when you're traveling and you have your jollof rice, you have your fried chicken, you have everything you want. Nothing to worry about. One thing I did for my husband and for myself was that I made sure I didn't sleep all through the journey, because personally I feel it is so boring to be driving and the person you're carrying is sleeping. I just felt for my husband, I was like, let me keep him company and let's keep talking and gisting. And that was what happened. We were listening to messages, we were listening to programs, and time was just going, you know. Guys, at this point I was already tired. Of course, it's not easy to sit down for a very long time, right? But the good thing is that the journey has been so smooth, like I said. So I'm just expressing my tiredness. I wanting to you know, but if I'm tired, I wonder what the driver is going to say, my husband who has been driving. But it's been beautiful. Oh my God, though. Man, I'm so tired though. We have 8 hours plus to go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We've gone 6 hours already. Wow. That's amazing. That's impressive. So it's just been there. The journey has been so smooth, so far so good, and God has been helping us.
Topsy-turvy, wake up early, could be anywhere. Madly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid, shoot me there. And when the world is burning, oh, good things. Smiling till my face is aching, love until my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my head. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, love until my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. Look at all the good things we have. Look at all the good things we have. Look at all the good things.
So we are so grateful to God for bringing us safely to Oklahoma City. It's been an amazing journey, and I give all the glory and praise to God because He was the one that brought us here safely. Okay, so I'm so glad you guys watched up to this time. I hope you will look out for my next videos where I will show you all the places I went to and the things I did in Oklahoma. All right, see you guys in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. Bye bye.